Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your headlight bulb. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can safely and effectively change a burnt-out bulb. You'll discover that this common maintenance task is quite straightforward, often requiring no specialized tools. By the end, you'll be confident in restoring your vehicle's illumination, enhancing both your driving safety and visibility on the road. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a flat surface with the parking brake engaged. Next, open the hood to gain clear access to the back of the headlight assembly. It's a good practice to wear clean protective gloves when handling the new bulb. This prevents oils from your skin from transferring to the glass, which can shorten the bulb's lifespan. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Reach behind the headlight assembly and locate the round rubber dust cover. Gently pull it off and set it aside. Next, grasp the base of the old bulb and rotate it approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Once loose, carefully pull the bulb straight out. Finally, press the small tab on the gray electrical connector to release it from the bulb's base. With the old bulb out, take your new H13 headlight bulb, holding it by its base, and carefully insert it into the housing. Rotate it 1/4 turn clockwise until it feels secure. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place, then push the rubber dust cover back on. Finally, switch on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly, completing your replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.